you're tired of scooping your cat's litter box, an automatic self-cleaning litter box is the way to go. Today, I am going to be showing you guys a brand new one that our 5 cats have been using behind the scenes before its release, and surprisingly, this has become their new go-to favorite. This is the HomerunPET Ultra Large Smart Cat Litter Box, a self-cleaning, smart refilling, and absolutely massive litter box that has a super spacious 106 liter sphere for cats to comfortably move around inside. So what is this litter box all about? Let's get right into it. So when you first get this Smart Cat litter box, it's gonna arrive in a huge 60 or so pound package. I highly recommend getting a secondhand, help you pull it into the space that it's gonna be in. In the box with it, you're gonna find the litter box itself, which again is huge, a quick start guide, some documentation, a small hole filter tray, and some more accessories in the tray below. There you're gonna find some tape, liner bags, the power cord, and a quick start guide. These cats wasted little time hopping in and checking it out. It was actually really cute because it looks like they're in a spaceship ready to blast off. Setting things up is incredibly easy here. Just line the bottom drawer and the waste drawer on the side with a bag, download the HomerunPET app, connect it to Wi-Fi, add some litter in, and you're all set and ready to go. If your cats aren't used to using automatic litter boxes like this, it will take some time for them to acclimate to it. All of our girls are used to using them already, so they took to this new one right away. As a matter of fact, this has become their go-to litter box since I set it up. The app shows me that it's been used or hopped into well over 50 times in the span of 2 days. Speaking of, the app that I've been using to test this litter box since it's so new is a beta version, but the preview has been intuitive, it works well for remotely controlling and monitoring things when you're out and about. If you don't want to use the app or you need to control the litter box manually, it does have a touch control panel on the front where you can clean, add or dump out the litter, and much more. This litter box also has a number of safety features built in. When your cat goes near it while it's cleaning, it will automatically stop knowing that someone is there. There were countless times where this chaotic little kitten named Minnie was on top of it or trying to go inside of it while it was cleaning. Thankfully, the litter box is responsive and it stops on a dime. It offers some nice peace of mind to us cat parents knowing that they're going to be safe as the litter box is doing its thing. As far as design goes, this thing is a beast. Overall, it has a sleek, modern design that will blend nicely into any space, though it is quite large, so you will need to measure to make sure that you do have the space for it. As I mentioned before, it kind of makes me think of a spaceship. When our cats are in here, it looks like they're gonna blast off to the International Space Station. The HomerunPET litter box has a 106 liter capacity, which means it is super spacious inside the sphere. If you've got a bigger cat or multiple cats, this is a huge win. I mean, just look at Minnie and Malaga hopping right in here together. When it's just one of them in there, it's like a luxury suite compared to other automatic litter boxes that they've used. What's nice is that all of the parts here are modular, meaning you can easily take them apart for deep cleaning without struggling to reach every little corner. Next, let's talk about the key feature here, which is automation. Our cats have used plenty of automatic self-cleaning litter boxes over the years, and at the end of the day, they all have the same goal: to automatically clean themselves after your cat uses it. They eliminate the need to scoop out clumps every day and ensure that your house smells fresh and clean. This litter box performs really well at doing that. It completely eliminates any smells and the need to scoop your litter box. However, it is different than others because it has a self-refill tank off to the side. This means you consistently have fresh litter on deck for your cat. Our cats have been using this box for a few weeks now, so I have been able to test how long that self-refill tank works. It takes at least a week for the litter to leave that max fill line, which is pretty impressive. I feel you'll comfortably be able to go away on vacation and not have to worry about your cats having enough litter. It's another thing that you can check off of your list to do every day. The bottom line, at the end of the day, a smart cat litter box is an absolute game changer for anyone with a cat, and the HomerunPET Ultra Large one is no exception to that. The spacious design, the self-cleaning and self-refilling features, and the modular parts that you can easily take apart to deep clean, they all come together to create a litter box that makes life easier for both you and your feline friend, or friends in my case. If you're tired of scooping litter, if you want something to automate your life, if you're looking to have your home smell fresher pressure throughout the day while also giving your cat a premium experience, this is about as good as it gets. This litter box is awesome. Well, that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, what do you think of this HomerunPET litter box? Does this look like something that your cat would use? Drop a comment and let me know below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for much more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!